Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could fix if your Gmail is not receiving the verification code. So if you are trying to verify your account and you are not getting the verification code from your Gmail and you don't know how to fix that out, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply check whether you are using the up-to-date version of the app or not. For that, head towards the Play Store. Tap on the search bar icon at the bottom of the screen. At the top in the search bar, search for Gmail. Here you simply have to make sure that you are using the up-to-date version of the app. If you are not, then simply update the app. After that, go back, head towards the app and simply tap and hold that. You'll get a pop-up. From the pop-up, simply head towards app info. Head towards storage and cache and then clear out the storage and cache for Gmail, and after that all of your issues and bugs will be resolved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.